My name's Neil Roberts. I'm a consultant clinical psychologist. I work for Cardiff and Vale University Health Board. The therapy is called Spring. It's a guided self-help approach to treating PTSD. So this is a new way of delivering therapy to PTSD sufferers. And important elements of this approach is that it's a flexible way of patients accessing therapy for PTSD. So they have therapist input, but they can complete therapy tasks at home using the program online or through a smartphone or tablet. And the therapist is really there to guide them, encourage them, problem solve with them when they get stuck.